Hey everybody, I'm back again with another video. This time I'm going over e-bike security, locks, and alarms. Let's go! This is the alarm system. So I got an alarm system for my bike. I figure me and my wife are always parking together, so for the most part, I'm the only one who really needs one. If she wants one, I'll put one on her bike too, but I wanted to test this one out. Some plain white boxes. And there you go. That is the standard alarm system. Now, the one I ordered off of Amazon was also with a horn kit and a mounting kit. So this one is the other half of that. So this goes on the handlebars, and this looks like a little plate that you can mount the alarm onto the bar. So take that out, the back plate, some tools and screws, and then the bar clip. So this is what consists of that kit. It's got the remote, it's got the actual alarm system itself, and actually it doesn't feel as cheap as I thought it was going to feel. It is plastic, but it's a little heavier than I thought it was going to be. It has the little spots for the zip ties and then a little battery pull. And I know from watching another video that it just takes, I think, AAA batteries, but that's really small actually. I was expecting it to be bigger. So that's actually a pleasant surprise. And this is the WSDCAM is what they call it, but with the bike horn also. So that's going to be cool because I'm tired of my little ringing bell and all that. Instructions look relatively decent. Bracket, quick guide, and good stuff like that. Alright, so I'm just showing really quickly how to install this back plate. I did have to kind of wedge up my screwdriver to push that into place because it was really tight for these rectangular nuts. And then you just place the back plate on there and align them, and then you take the Phillips screws that come with the kit and you just slide them in and screw them tight. Then you'll just have to align the clip after that. So it was pretty simple. It did come with a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm just using my screwdriver. It's a little longer on the shaft there. And it's really simple to get that back plate on. And I'm assuming we have to take this off because at least one leg or one screw has to come out. And that is because we want to have room to get a screwdriver in there, or an Allen wrench in this case. So we'll take the one off. Now we have room. We should be able to just align this. I'm going to pretty much do center, like so. And then the other thing we have to do is figure out which Allen it is, which I believe it's this one. So we'll put that on there. Stick the Allen on it, and we have a little leverage. And we're gonna just start the screwing here. Okay, we got the screw on there. Let's So now it should be just a matter of clamping that on. So I just had to install the clamp on there. I did have to loosen up the other clamp a little bit because the neck on my handlebars was a little bit thicker than standard. Once I got the 2 screws started, it was just a matter of tightening it and adjusting it so that the horn was facing straight when my handlebars were straight. Other than that, really simple install and pretty quick. So the alarm itself looks nice, actually. I actually like the looks of it. Doesn't it's not obnoxiously large, and it's kind of blends with the color scheme of the bike. And then I am going to have to slide my brake over just a little to fit it right there. I'm actually thinking I want it farther away from my hand so I don't hit it on accident. Anyway, that's pretty much the gist of the plot. It does work well. It's going to do what I want it to do, which is if anybody touches my bike, it's going to scream, and it's going to scream loud. And it was a very low cost, and I know a lot of YouTubers suggested this one. All right, now we just have to set up the alarm itself. There's the plastic right here. Okay, 3 beeps, the remotes. So let's just see if it's already paired. Just to go there. Wow, that's loud. Woo! Okay. Okay, that sounds like it's armed. Woo! That's armed. Okay. So you press the arm button right there, the top button, and it goes through a toggle to say it's received it, and then a few seconds later it's screaming at you that it's armed. So let's just, that is so loud. Good Lord. Okay. And then if I were to go again, that thing would go off. I'm a little scared. Not sure I want to do that. That's going to scare anybody. That's really loud. All right, and then there's like a little lightning bolt and a little like bell or something on the bottom. So I'm going to read this manual and see what that's for. All right, so I'm going to try to set this thing up. When you pull it, it gets into its mode. If you were to press, that's to arm. Then give it a few seconds, it'll give it a second beep. That's to disarm. And then it has these 2 other buttons, this lightning bolt and the bell. So the bell, that's the default bell for sounding it. And then you have this to find, I think this is the finder button. It sounds just like the bell. They're very similar. If you want to switch the ringtones to do different ones, and you just have to hit the ringtone button when you're in programming. So I believe that you have to hit the disarm button for a certain amount of time. So let's just move this up, and you hit it, and it goes out, and it comes back on. And then you can switch your ringtones. So now it's like a chirp. And now it's like a high-pitched beep. And that was the default. So you got 3 different ringtones. I actually like the middle one. It's gonna sound like a crazy little bird. So that's how you change it once you're in the once you want to exit that mode.
you just hit the disarm, and now that's arm. There's fully armed. That's disarmed. That's your horn, and that's to find it. So the horn and to find it are the same, but that's how you set up the alarm. The manual's not very good. You kind of have to figure it out. It does take AAA batteries, so that is a good thing. As far as they said that it'll last between 1 and 3 months with normal usage, and 6 months for standby. Other than that, it's pretty simple. I'm going to test the horn and try that out and see how that goes.
Oh yeah, that's loud. That's loud. Not digging it. It took 3 presses to get it to go. 3 presses. That's not good. Press. Yeah, that one worked. Press. Okay, third one. No. Press again. Nothing. Press again. Nothing. Press again. Nothing. Press 4. Nothing. Press again. Nothing. It works periodically. So I could have saved myself some money. Just got the $16 one. Because the horn works like shite. It is not good. I like the way the key fob looks. It is pretty attractive looking to me. It's going to be going on my keyring though, so it's going to even make my keyring a little bit bigger. So I got to be honest with you guys. I like some things about this alarm, but I don't like this button. The button does not work every time. It's flimsily mounted, and it just doesn't sound, I guess, pleasant. It's not a bell that I would want to have. So I'm probably going to take this whole unit back just because this doesn't work very well. I mean, I tried testing it, and you know, I like the actual alarm portion. So if I didn't buy it with the bell, then it would have actually been a better buy, and I probably would have kept it. But then I saw another ad on Amazon as I was going to return this one, and I saw something that might even be better. So let me show you on the website. So I saw this unit, which is a alarm, a light, and a horn all in one. And I watched the video presentation on the Amazon website and was like, that looks very interesting, and actually looks like it could do everything I want it to do, plus supply the light, which will be better when I'm riding at night. And also, it has an accelerometer in it, which will show when I'm braking and light up like a brake light. So all in all, I wanted to give this one a try because it had some of the things that I wanted as far as an alarm and a bell, with the added benefit of a brake light. So I'm going to be doing a video on this one and trying it out. This one definitely looks interesting. The other one worked fine as an alarm system. I just didn't like the button, and since that was one of the things that I wanted to do, I am going to give this one a try. Anyway, keep a lookout for that video. If you like this video, please click like. If you really liked it, please subscribe, and always hit that bell if you want to see new videos from me. Anyway, that's my video. Thanks for watching. I'm going to get the tech out of here. Later.